And for this assignment, I will be doing a 5-minute video recording walking through my fully functioning newly installed environment. The assignment was to install Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda Navigator, install the Python 3 and 3 plus, right, 3.0 and or above, install important packages. So first of all, I'll be opening my Anaconda. Oh, before I progress, I wanted to mention that I already had Anaconda and Python and all the necessary packages already installed for a couple of years because I needed all of these for my work. So here I opened the Anaconda Navigator. As you can see, we have various tools, for example, PyCharm, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, and Spider. Spider I used a couple times, and we also have Jupyter Lab and other tools. Next, I'll be showing you my environments. As you can see, this is my base environment. And in the base environment, I already have a couple of packages. Well, most of these are pre-installed through Anaconda. And I have other packages that I installed myself just for work and projects purposes. As you can see, I have other environments. This was already made for years ago. So anyways, I'll open up Jupyter Notebook just to show you that this is good and running. Yep. And then I'll show you, so here, as you can see, this Jupyter Notebook is running well. Let me open up a file just to show you it's running well. Yep, here's my Jupyter Notebook. And as you can see, Python is using Python 3. Just in case, I'll show you through terminal, I'll show you my specific Python version that I'm using. So Python, so as you can see, I'm using the specific version 3.9. As you can see, it's 3 and above, so it's good. And then I will also show you my various packages. I mean, I've already showed you, but I'll show you over here as well. So as you can see, we can see all the necessary packages that I've already installed or that is pre-installed through Anaconda. Next, I will just quickly go over a simple Python just to show you that necessary packages are already installed and it is functioning well. So here I've already imported pandas. Pandas I've been using a lot. So here I can run this and it runs well. And then here I used pandas to read the CSV files that's called random numbers. Then I print the data frame here, and let me just run this, sorry. Then I run here, and as you can see, pandas is running very well. So pandas is working very well. That's the end of my environment, and thanks for watching.